Thanks for watching. In this video, we will walk through the Gemalto PLS62 terminal. We will cover what comes in the box, walk through the different connection options, and cover some of its basic functionality. We'll get started by covering what comes in the box. The package includes a few things that you need to get started. There is, of course, the unit itself, as well as two standard cellular antennas included. Depending on your deployment, you may wish to upgrade to a higher gain set of antennas to increase your cellular signal reception. The unit can be powered via an AC adapter for in-building deployments or via DC power for more industrial applications. Both are sold separately. There are multiple ways to mount the terminal. First, you can use the two built-in fixtures for cable straps. You can also mount the product onto a DIN rail holder or wall using the two built-in screw holes. Finally, there's a built-in catch to mount the terminal via C-rail. Let's get started by looking at the terminal. Starting on the bottom, there's a nice guide to walk you through where all the connectors and ports are to be attached. Moving on to the back side, we will start on the left with the power cable. This is an RJ11 type cable, which you may recognize as being the same style connector that you would use to connect a landline telephone. The next item is an Ethernet port. There is also a version that has a USB port in its place. Whether you opt for the USB or Ethernet version, both versions will have a serial port, which is ideal for many industrial applications. Moving on to the other side of the terminal, you will find two cellular antenna ports. It is always recommended to use two antennas for any application. Remember that you have the option of using the provided antennas or using your own. The last thing we'll cover is the input-output ports. These are ideal for alerting to basic information, like a door being opened or a motor turning on. There are two LED lights on the top of the terminal to provide you with different information. The green LED light will alert you to the power status by letting you know if the power is sufficient for the terminal to operate, while the orange LED light indicates the network registration state of the device. The final light has to do with the Ethernet port, if you've opted for a model with this port. It is a green light to the right of the port and will indicate if you have linked a device and if there's activity going across the port. Many thanks for taking time to watch this video. It is one of many we have in our Gateway series. We look forward to hearing from you using one of the contact methods on the screen.